What is you gon' do? All them niggas, they tryna shoot. What you gon' do? My niggas masked up, yeah, we shoot. What you gon' do? 5 shots, we shoot at you. Yeah, we shoot at you. All my niggas strapped up, nigga, like a fucking die dude. We don't give a fuck about your members or your whole little crew. We gon' walk them down, nigga, put them all on the news. I think you need a t-shirt just for your last dog. All my niggas really tryna cross a nigga like hot sauce. Let a nigga try to play me some, I'm out in his dog. We gon' shoot him in his face, I'll take his fucking face off. We some steppers, overkill with a bass, we gon' rip it. Until the day I fall into the ground, I'm ready. Pussy nigga, better call that little reverend. Cause all my niggas coming up and we gon' take your head off your neck. Pussy nigga, bet you better have that tag. 4-5, put it dead to your head. If they don't fucking move right, you finna get your ass peeled, bitch. See what you gon' do. When overkill come after you, what is you gon' do? All them niggas, they tryna shoot. What you gon' do? My niggas masked up, yeah, we shoot. What you gon' do? 5 shots, we shoot at you. Yeah, I got my demon ways. I had to switch my fucking mind, I got my demon case. Niggas don't notice all this pain that's in my fucking brain. Niggas, I cock it back and shoot it, then I eat this brain. Niggas, they talking all that shit, but they don't know my little pain. I got niggas outside right now sniffing that cocaine. Tryna go hit a nigga up and take his soul, man. Fucking on this bitch, yeah, she suck it, take that whole, take the whole thing. You's a bitch though. I had a stick up in my pocket, then I peeled the whole. Cock it back, show these niggas what I'm on. You ain't that though. You ain't even stopping like you is. Go ahead and stop it, bro. You ain't even pee. Go ahead and back this shit up, nigga, before I put on my ski. Show the nigga how I'm bumming when I put him on that T. I'm 17, little nigga, where you finna fuck me? Where you finna be? I'm fighting you. Big bleed. Cock out. We gon' talk out this bitch.